A crash course typically refers to an intensive, condensed learning experience designed to cover a significant amount of material in a short period. This term is commonly used in education, particularly in situations where there is limited time to acquire essential knowledge or skills, such as preparing for exams, mastering a new subject, or gaining proficiency in a specific area. The concept of a crash course implies a rapid and focused approach to learning, often characterized by concentrated study sessions, streamlined curriculum, and targeted teaching methods. These courses are designed to provide learners with the most critical information or skills needed to achieve a specific goal within a compressed timeframe. Crash courses can vary widely in format and delivery, depending on the subject matter and the needs of the learners. They may take the form of in-person classes, online tutorials, workshops, or self-paced study programs. Regardless of the format, the primary goal of a crash course is to maximize learning efficiency and effectiveness within a limited timeframe. One of the key features of a crash course is its emphasis on prioritizing essential concepts or skills over comprehensive coverage of a topic. Instead of delving deeply into every aspect of a subject, crash courses focus on providing learners with a broad overview and a solid foundation that they can build upon independently. Another characteristic of crash courses is their intensive nature, often requiring learners to dedicate significant time and effort to absorb the material quickly. This may involve extended study sessions, immersive learning experiences, or accelerated learning techniques aimed at maximizing retention and comprehension in a short period. Crash courses are commonly used in situations where time is of the essence, such as preparing for standardized tests like the SAT, GRE, or TOEFL, where learners need to review and reinforce key concepts quickly. They are also popular among professionals seeking to update their skills or gain expertise in a specific area to advance their careers. Despite their benefits, crash courses also have limitations. The condensed nature of these programs means that there may be trade-offs in terms of depth of understanding and long-term retention of the material. Additionally, the fast-paced learning environment can be challenging for some learners, requiring strong motivation, focus, and time management skills to keep up with the pace. In conclusion, a crash course is an intensive and focused learning experience designed to cover a significant amount of material in a short period. These courses prioritize essential concepts and skills, aiming to maximize learning efficiency and effectiveness within a compressed timeframe. While crash courses offer benefits such as rapid skill acquisition and exam preparation, they also require learners to dedicate significant time and effort to absorb the material quickly.